Hello guys, it's me again, Ambisyosa Josa. So I'm in the garden and I saw this dried twigs and branches of a plant, the maple. Um, we always take it off after winter or in springtime or on summertime because we don't want that plant to cover the wall. So we took it off. I thought I can use it for something else. And it came to my mind that I am doing the Kokedama, so I can use it. And I saw this. Look at this green moss growing on the soil. I thought I can also use it. So yeah, I scrape it. Wow, I so love the color. And it's so fresh green, deep green. I have so much fun doing this. I love to work without gloves because I could feel the texture of the plants and stuff that I am working on. Look at my hands. So here I have the clay. You just flatten your clay and like playing a dough. You're gonna prepare it to be the base of your kokedama. So I have the clay and I'm molding it into a circle. And I'm flattening the bottom so my kokedama will stand flat on the surface. You can try it to You can try to do it. It's so easy. Really, really easy. Even a 4-year-old child can do it. Can do this. I love that I found a clay soil in the garden. And I have my mixture of soil, which is I ground some eggshells with banana peels and overripe banana and mix it with my garden soil and moist it, and I have the echeveria. I will put this cutie succulent on this project. I thought that this deserves to be displayed. And there were two fallen leaves, so I have to plant them. And let's see if they're gonna produce new plants, new echeveria. So lovely. Yeah, you have to tap like that so you make sure that your base is strong enough to hold the mixture of soil where your plants will be planted. I tell you guys, when you're doing it on your own hand, it's so thera- therapeutic. Try it. You can find any kind of moss. Moss grows everywhere, especially in moist place, next to the river or next to the rice fields. I don't know. Just be. I didn't know that they will grow there, but you see, I always look on something, and I always find something. So now I'm arranging this moss to cover the kokedama. Kokedama will not be complete without the covering of the moss because it's what its name is. You have to use moss to preserve the moist of the soil. Having a kokedama is, making you, um, I mean, having a kokedama is a comfort. Like, you don't have to water that much your plant, but you can water it only for like twice a week because it has the moss that preserves the moist. I have this nylon thread, and moss. I'm securing the moss on the kokedama. It's so easy, right? And so quick as long as your materials are there. Doing it or making a kokedama is just so easy. And please watch until the end, guys, because you're gonna see how are we gonna use that twigs. Now, on displaying your kokedama, you can hang it. You can put it on the center table, on the side table. Yeah, everywhere. You can display its beauty. Depends on you. Now you have to spray it with water, or you can wash it also, so the color green will be neatly displayed. So there it is, my twigs, my branches. These are the branches of the autumn plant, which is the yeah, we call it the autumn plant, or the maple tree, because the maple tree changes the colors of its leaves on autumn season. It became very wonderful orange color, or red orange, or deep yellow. And I'm so happy that I discovered that this branch is really good to make some stuff like this. Well, every time we're taking it off from the wall, I said to myself, um, what a waste. So I was always thinking what to do so we can use it, not just throw it. And here it is. I thought that it will be a very good idea to wrap it on kokedama. And they don't break. This is like really what makes me happy is it doesn't break. It's so fluid. Just it follows the shape. Look, it's perfect. Oh, And of course, we have to secure it. You can secure it with glue, or I have a glue gun, so I'll secure it with that, or with whatever um, way that you want to stick it. You can do it up to your preference. For me, I prefer to use the hot glue because it's easy. Just be careful that you don't burn your fingers. And it's done. It's now ready to be displayed. I hope, guys, that I have shared something to you today. Have a very nice day.